Hey, this is Shovelhead and I'm in the Shovelhead shed. This is about my 20th take. If that rooster crows one more time, my next video is going to be on how to make chicken and dumplings. This is a working organic farm and we do eat the animals here. Okay. The reason for this introduction of this video is I read a lot in the comments about the Harley-Davidson dealers are jerks, they're hard to work with, they're arrogant, they're stuck up, and all that. You know what, I've seen that, I've met that, but listen, all Harley-Davidson dealers are not made equal. I was very fortunate. It took me a couple dealers, and then I found a good one, which is at Bert's Black Widow in El Jabin, Florida, Port Charlotte, Florida. He also owns another one in St. Petersburg, which is Bert's Black Widow. No, Bert's Barracuda in St. Pete, Florida. The first time I ever went there, I mean, I was treated like family. Very nice, the whole crew, everybody from service to salesman, everything, finance, everything, all great guys. In fact, when you walk into their door, they have a cold beer and a bag of popcorn waiting for you. If you don't drink beer, cool, they have water waiting for you. They answer questions. All these guys, most of them are riders. Like I said, the reason why I'm introducing this video is yesterday, every weekend Bert has something going on. Every single weekend it seems, And so I just happened to be there when they were hosting the West Coast Florida Riders, I believe that was the name of it, association. They had a big to-do there, so I broke out my camera and took some pictures. I want you to realize it, and you'll see patches. You'll see 1% patches, and you'll just see rider patches. You'll see white, you'll see black, you'll see Hispanic. It's like it was like a UN meeting. Everybody, there's all types of bikes. Bert sells Harley-Davidson, but they are not brand specific when it comes to riding, and that's what I love about Bert. Bert didn't pay me anything, didn't give me a free t-shirt or anything to do this video. Bert has given me a free t-shirt, but I had to buy a motorcycle, and that's kind of the deal. When you buy a motorcycle, you get a free t-shirt. So he's not paying me or anything else like that. I just want you guys to know, hey man, there are some really good dealers out here. Look, there's some Chevy dealers that they're horrible. Ford, whatever. And it's the same way in the Harley-Davidson. And I know because I've been there, and like I said, I found a good one. And if it means I have to drive an extra hour, extra 2 hours, it's worth it because I want my money to go where it's appreciative. So anyway, somebody please roll that beautiful bean footage before that rooster starts again. Peace.